Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy telehealth services with Teladoc Health easy tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy telehealth services with Teladoc Health, start by visiting the Teladoc Health website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill out the necessary personal and professional information required to set up your account. Once your account is created, log in to the Teladoc portal. Navigate to the Services section to explore the various telehealth options available. Select the type of service that best fits your needs, whether it be primary care, mental health, or specialist consultations. Review the information provided for each service to understand the features and benefits. Next, set up your telehealth profile by inputting your medical history and any relevant health information. If applicable, upload documents such as insurance details or medical records to streamline. Once your profile is complete, schedule an appointment by selecting a convenient date and time. Choose your preferred healthcare provider from the list of available practitioners. Confirm the appointment and wait for a confirmation notification via email or within the app. On the day of your appointment, log into the Teladoc platform a few minutes early. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and a working camera and microphone. Join the appointment by clicking the link provided in your confirmation notification. Engage with your healthcare provider during the virtual consultation. Follow any instructions provided post-consultation for prescriptions or follow-up appointments. Evaluate your experience and consider providing feedback to improve future telehealth services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.